grew up in. Not that my solar hasn't been keeping up, it just hasn't been as full as normal. It's a really nice day, and I'm gonna go hang out here before, well, leaving the Olympia area once again. Nothing much has changed in 6 months. Same look. It's kind of refreshing sometimes when you don't want things to change. It's like, I came back to see something familiar and to see some old faces and family, and that's exactly what I'm getting. So that's cool. A couple things I want to look at in Olympia. I want to go to the farmers market down here. That way I can kind of compare it with Pike Place Market up in Seattle later. Turn right here. Here's the Clipper Cafe where I used to do all my karaoke. Lots of good memories made there. Market's open. It's not open year-round. It has weird hours, and it's only open 4 days of the week, but I think I did it right. Yeah, it's open today. Give me some beef jerky. I used to always look for shade to park my rigs. I need to keep charging my solar. My panel needs to be in the sun. So. There we go. We'll use the stabilizer today. My beard's growing back. I'm really happy about that. I don't sport the clean shaven look very well. No music right now.
They have more room, I think.
Okay, now I'm really hungry. Okay, now we're talking. Salmon jerky.
It's better if you taste it instead of taking it.
I know, huh? And with the teriyaki beef stick.
Yeah, just for a little while. Please.
Real quick, remember when I was talking about those waste centers that Olympia has? Not garbage cans. This is called a waste center. This is really popular down here. Yeah, you have 6 choices. So you got to read carefully and find out where each piece of garbage is supposed to go. Because the hippies around here like to stand here and yell at you when you get it wrong. those are cool. Need one for Jax. Very cool. Here's your official hippie wear.
Considering what I had to go through, this is the lava field. It's better.
Alright, we're gonna go find something else. Oh, the van looks good out here in the sun. It's so happy to finally dry out. Never been to this place here in Olympia, but I've always driven past it and wondered about it. It's the Japanese Garden here, right in downtown Olympia, and I'm gonna go check it out for the first time here. And it's really odd to see this in the middle of the city like this. I've never been in here, and it's right out by the main street. Huh. Yep, all those colorful rhododendrons are coming out now. That was it. Cool. You see there, guy? Cool. Well, we're here at Watershed Park here in the city of Olympia. The G. Eldon Marshall Trail. And I was gonna go on a walk. Jax was gonna sniff around a little bit, right, Jax? Hey, you gotta. I know. Stay away from them rats, okay? A lot of these parks are right off some of the main roads. They can be really loud, but hey, I'll put up with loud in order to experience it. It's pretty cool. Lots of moss, lots of green, lots of awesome. It says Watershed Park is a temperate rainforest. Volume of precipitation, moderate temperature, and unique northwest native flora plant life. And Watershed Park makes this 153-acre park a temperate rainforest, similar to larger northwest temperate rainforest found in the Olympic National Park. There you go. There you go, it's a bona fide rainforest. The trees are big too. Now it's not like redwood forest. But come on, these are some honking trees here in the Northwest. don't know why they don't shoot more movies up here. It's just so, man. Maybe not horror movies, but hey guys, me and Jax are doing really well. He's sleeping right now, and we're staying cool. Let me turn this on for a second, though. Staying really cool, really enjoying the sun, though. The northwest sun is way different than anybody else's sun. Jax just needs his naps, you know. Can I wake you up? Doing okay, buddy? Oh, okay. Oh, big stretches. How's your chin? See your chin? Okay. He's doing good, though. He definitely needs his sleeps. I need my relaxation. And by the way, last night was really cool because we actually parked across the street from a Starbucks, and I left my computer on all night long with the screensaver, hooked up to Google Starbucks, and it never reset it all night, and it actually downloaded a 29 gigabyte file size. So now I own the entire series of The Shield, which was one of my favorite shows back then. A lot of the same actors and ideas and producers and stuff as Sons of Anarchy. So I'm glad to have that in my collection, and that was pretty cool. So anyway, yeah. No else to say. We're really happy, and I'll see you again here soon.